Here with 911R, we have our 250 TR special that's ending tomorrow. I just want to do a little walk around and talk about it. This car was done by Tempero in New Zealand. He is now passed along, but Rod, his son, now still runs the Tempero company. And they build lots of classic reproduction cars to really, really high quality. It's an all aluminum hand-formed body on the car. It was based on a 61 250 GTE. And that's where the chassis number came from. It's 3661. The car came over to the U.S. in the 90s. It was actually, before that, it was raced by Etro in New Zealand and Australia in hill climbs and some circuit racing. Then came to the U.S. and was imported by a company that worked with all the Etro cars. And that guy raced it on the West Coast and raced quite a bit, raced at Laguna and all sorts of stuff. Then it was sold to my client up in the Northwest, who owned a restoration and body shop. He completely took the car all apart and redid everything on the car. And he's a real perfectionist. I knew him from the racetrack and through a few other my clients. Just, the guy was a complete artist. He did in his shop up in the Northwest, was really an enthusiast. He did everything from carbon fiber work to aluminum panel work. He just really deep dive into anything into manufacturing and precision. So on this car, he did a lot of neat things, like you can come around and see the dry sump tank in here with all the rivets. Look inside the body here. He did that, and he did the fuel cell in the back. I want to show you guys that real quick, because the workmanship on it is insane. I'm told there's 3,500 hand-done rivets on this fuel tank. I also was told that the car was being shown at a Ferrari Classic event, and Ferrari ordered 2 gas tanks from him to be built for projects Ferrari had in Italy. Again, the workmanship is incredible. But this car, he did everything he can to make it as correct as possible in a lot of ways. The engine in it was done by Denison International, very, very famous Ferrari guy. It's built to 250 GTO specs. It's a GTO engineering block. Then they built everything on it. I believe over $350,000 has been put into this engine. But coming around and looking at the car is, it's got correct TR wheels on it, correct gauges, correct steering wheel, correct switch gear, just all the little stuff. The beautiful blue Nomex interior, handbrake, shifter, just everything, all the little details on this car. It's just, it's as good as one can be. And I've seen many real cars. A lot of ways, this car looks better. Just the quality. You can get in this car, pump the gas a couple times, hit the gas, the start button, it fires up and purrs. You can see in the drive videos how great this thing drives. I've had it at several car shows and, Cars and Coffees. It's just easy to live with. It's easy to drive. And just is super powerful, and has the most wonderful exhaust note I've ever heard. We've had this car for a little bit. I love walking by and seeing this every day. Hopefully it's going to get sold tomorrow, but I'm definitely going to miss having this one around. It's one of my favorite cars I've ever had or ever sold. Paint quality is pure glass. Just the workmanship and just nothing says Ferrari more than a 250 TR. So any questions, please use the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, I'd love to talk to you about it. But this car is super special, and good luck. Thanks.